Start with numerical number 35. This is NCERT modified question. A very good question. Okay. So let's start. Question number 35. Pankaj, Naresh and Saurabh are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. On 1st April 2020, Naresh retired. Who retired? Naresh retired. At that time, general reserve, creditors, bills payable, outstanding salary, provision for legal damages and capital. These points are given. Bank, debtors, provision, stock, furniture and premises. These points are given, dear children. And some additional informations are also given. Let us see. Premises have appreciated by 20%. Revaluation, credit side. Stock depreciated by 10%. Revaluation, debit side. Provision for doubtful debts was to be made 5% on debtors. So children, you can see here it is given 400. We need to create 5% on debtors. So 6 5 30 means 300. It is already 400 which is given. So we need to come bring down up to rupees 300. So 100 rupees we need to reduce. So liability reduce. Where to write? Credit side. Provision for legal damages to be made for 1200. Okay, revaluation, debit side. Furniture to be brought up to 45,000 and furniture is given 41. We need to increase. So it will go in credit side. Goodwill of the firm be valued at 42,000. So we need to calculate the goodwill of Naresh. 26,000 from Naresh capital account be transferred to his loan account and the balance be paid through bank. Okay. If required, necessary loan may be obtained from the bank. Okay, dear children, let us see. New profit sharing ratio of Pankaj and Saurabh is decided to be 5 is to 1. Children, you can see here it is 3 is to 2 is to 1. Now ratio is changing 5 is to 1. What does it mean? It means we need to compute gaining ratio. Okay, who is gaining and sacrificing also. Give necessary ledger accounts and balance sheet of the Naresh retirement. So in this question, first we are going to compute their gaining ratio. Then we do the treatment of goodwill. Okay, dear children. So let's start. Question number 35. Okay. There are three partners, Pankaj, Naresh, Saurabh. Pankaj, Naresh, and Saurabh. Their ratio was 3 is to 2 is to 1. Old ratio. Naresh took retirement. And their new ratio they have decided is to be 5 is to 1. Pankaj and Saurabh. They decided their new ratio to be 5 is to 1. So we need to calculate their gaining ratio. Gaining ratio formula is new ratio minus old ratio. So let's calculate for Pankaj. Pankaj, new ratio of Pankaj is 5 by 6. Old ratio of Pankaj is 3 by 6. When denominator is same, we can directly calculate, yes or no, children? 2 by 6. This is the gaining ratio of Pankaj. Pankaj is gaining. Let us calculate for Naresh also. What is Naresh? New ratio. New ratio of Naresh is 1 by 6. Old ratio of Naresh is also 1 by 6. So nil. So children, one partner Pankaj is gaining and Naresh is neither gaining nor loss. So what to do? Only this partner will give the share of goodwill. Pankaj will give the share of goodwill to Naresh. This is first working note. Okay. Let us prepare one more working note for calculation of goodwill of Naresh. Goodwill of Naresh. So let us see what is total goodwill of the firm which is given in the question. The total goodwill of the firm is given 42,000. Okay. So let us calculate goodwill of Naresh. 42,000 multiplied by the share of goodwill. Share of Naresh is 2. 2 by 6. So we multiply by 2 by 6. Okay. When we multiply by 2 by 6, calculate. 2 3 just 6. And 3 1 ja 3. 3 4 ja 12. 14,000, isn't it? 14,000 is Naresh share of goodwill. Who will give? Only Pankaj will give. Okay, this is for your knowledge I have written here. Now we will prepare a revaluation account of the firm. Okay, so children, you can see premises have appreciated by 20%. Premises 80,000. Calculate 20% of 80,000, 16,000. Okay, so premises appreciated. So we write in credit side by premises 16,000. Then stock depreciated by 10%. Okay, stock is 9,000. So it will come in debit side to stock 900, 10% of 9,000. Then here provision for doubtful debt was to be made 5%. 5% of 6,000 is 300. It is already given 400. So we need to reduce 100 rupees by provision for doubtful debts. It is decreased by 100 rupees. So it will be credited. Okay, and then further provision for legal damages is to be made for rupees 1200. Provision for legal damages is to be made means liability is increasing, so we need to write in debit side to provision for legal damages. It is 1200. And here furniture to be brought up to rupees 45,000, and here furniture is given 41,000. So we need to increase by 4,000. So it will come in credit side by furniture 4,000. Okay. Then goodwill, all points are over. Yes, children. Yes, all points are over. Let us do the total. 16 for 20,100. So balance is remaining in debit side. This will be gain. Let us calculate. It will be 18,000. Partners capital account. Children, it will be distributed to partners Pankaj, Naresh and Saurabh. Pankaj, Naresh and Saurabh, and in which ratio? In old ratio. 3 is to 2 is to 1 is their old ratio. When we divide 3 to 1, 6. 6 3 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3,000. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes, dear children. Let us prepare partners capital account. Partners capital account starts from credit side. So we write here by balance brought down. Let us see. 46,000, 30,000 and 20,000. 46,000, 30,000 and 20,000. Okay. General reserve is there 12,000. So we will distribute general reserve by general reserve. 12,000 we need to distribute into 3 2 1. 12,000 divided by 6 2. 2 3 ja 6,000. 2 2 ja 4,000 and 2 1 ja 2,000. Okay. Then nothing is here. Then gain will be distributed. Okay, what is the gain? By revaluation account, gain will be distributed here. Gain was 9,000, 6,000 and 3,000. Okay, dear children. Now we need to do the treatment of goodwill, है ना? Who will give goodwill to Naresh? Who will give goodwill to Naresh? Children, we have seen 14,000. Pankaj will give, isn't it? Pankaj's capital account, and we have seen Naresh goodwill is 14,000. So it will be deducted from Pankaj's capital account 14,000 and it is credited to Naresh's capital account. Okay, clear? Then there is one thing which is given in the question. It is clearly mentioned in point C. 26,000 from Naresh capital account be transferred to his loan account and balance be paid through bank. So first we need to transfer to Naresh loan account. How much? 26,000 to Naresh loan account. How much is to be transferred? 26,000 is to be transferred to Naresh loan accounts. It is mentioned here. And balance be paid through bank. So whatever balance comes now, we pay through bank. So let us calculate. Do the total of Naresh column. 40, 50, 54,000, isn't it? 54,000 minus 26. So 28,000 is coming here. This is the balancing figure which is paid to Naresh after transferring loan account 26,000. Okay. Then let us calculate balance of other partner also. 46, 9, 6 and 9. 61,000. Isn't it? And 20 plus 2 plus 3, 25,000. 61,000, 54,000, 25,000. Let us calculate balance. To balance carried down. 61 minus 14. It would be 47,000. Okay, this is your balancing figure. Then here it is coming 25,000. And then we will prepare balance sheet. But there is one point in the question, children. You can see how much amount we have paid to Naresh. Tell me 28,000. But here in the question now you can see in bank we have only 7,600. When we have only 7,600, in order to pay 28,000 we need to take loan. It means we need to prepare bank account here in this question. So let us prepare bank account first. So debit side, credit side, bank account starts from debit side to balance brought down. The opening balance of bank is given 7,600. So we write here 7,600, isn't it? And you can see in partners capital account, we have written 28,000 in debit side of Naresh capital account, isn't it? By Naresh capital account 28,000. It means how much loan is taken to bank loan. It means the balancing is loan. So 28 minus 7,600, it will be 20,400. Okay. This is your, it means you have taken loan. So this loan will also come in balance sheet, liability side. Is that clear? I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes, children, let's prepare a balance sheet. I will start balance sheet with liability side. So general reserve, first we start with capital. Capital. So capital of Pankaj and Saurabh 4725. Pankaj and Saurabh 47,000 and 25,000. 40, 50, 60, 70, 72,000. Okay. Then let us see general reserve distributed creditors. There is no change in creditors, 15,000. Before that, now I will write the first Naresh loan account. Okay. Naresh loan account, that is 20, that is Naresh loan account is 26,000. Okay. Naresh loan account is 26,000. 26,000. Okay. Then we write creditors. There is no change in creditors. 15,000. Then you can see bills payable. There is no change in bills payable. 12,000. And then outstanding salary 2,200. There is no change in outstanding salary also. How much? 2,200. Then provision for legal damages. Was there any change? There was some change in provision for legal damages. Is to be made for 1,200. So 7,200. Okay. Uh, I hope all the points are clear. Let us see in, yes, all points are over here. Let us start with asset side. Asset side, I will write for bank. Their bank, nothing is there. No, there is one more point is left. Now, bank loan. Yes, yes. We have taken loan. How much loan we have taken? It is prepared 20,400 loan we have taken. 20,400 loan is taken. Okay. Then let us come in asset side. Bank will not come. Debtors 6,000, but now provision is reduced to 300. 6,000 minus 300. 5,700 will come. Stock, is there any change in stock? Yes, depreciated by 10%. So 9,000 minus 900. It would be 8,100. Okay. Then furniture is increased to 45,000. It is mentioned here. We are writing revised values in the balance sheet. Then you can see premises. Premises have appreciated by 20%, means 16,000. Premises increased by 20%, means 16,000. So it would be 96,000. Okay. All the points are over here. And yes. Yes, children, do the total. And let's check the total of both sides are equal. Total.
Yes, sir.
I hope, children, that question is very clear to everyone. I hope it is clear. Thank you, dear children, for this question.